If your phone's fingerprint sensor isn't working or is responding slowly, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 4 best ways to fix it. Just follow each method, and your fingerprint sensor should start working properly again. Let's get started. Step 1. First open the Settings app on your phone. Go to Security and Privacy, Security, or Biometrics and Security. These options may have different names depending on your phone. Next, tap Fingerprint or Fingerprint Unlock. If you're asked, enter your PIN, password, or pattern. Delete the fingerprint that's already saved. Now tap Add Fingerprint. Follow the on-screen instructions until the setup is complete, then tap Done. Finally, test the fingerprint sensor. Step 2. Restart your Android phone. Press and hold the power button. On some phones, you'll need to press and hold the power and volume up buttons together. Then tap Restart. Wait for your phone to turn back on completely. Once it's restarted, test the fingerprint sensor again. Step 3. Update your phone's software. Open Settings. Tap Software Update or System Update. Tap Download and Install. If an update is available, tap Install. If your phone asks you to restart, go ahead and restart it. When the update is finished, test the fingerprint sensor again. Step 4. Reset all settings. Open Settings. Use the search bar at the top and search for Reset. Tap Reset all settings. Make sure you choose Reset all settings, not Factory Reset. Confirm the reset, then wait for your phone to restart or finish the reset process. Finally, test the fingerprint sensor one more time. Still having the same problem? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.